Hey, Adam Mills, broker of record for Royal LePage Team Realty, Adam Mills Brokerage here. A fellow YouTuber asked me, what household renovations have the best payback? Now I have to say this is a really tough question for me to generalize. To be precise, you need to have an experienced realtor come look at your property and provide you with detailed information and guidance that's specific to your property's type and location. Now, with that disclaimer out of the way, here are some items that we feel provide some pretty good payback for our clients. First thing's simple curb appeal. It's a great place to spend some money and time to generate a return. Seeing as everyone judges a book by a cover, well, why not give them a good cover to judge? Second thing here is minor kitchen and bathroom renovations. Now, these are always a good spot to park some money. One thing to note, this does not typically include full-scale renovations of either space because those are very expensive rooms to renovate. The third thing is furnace replacement. Especially in our cold climate, this is another great spot to invest money and it's somewhere that we see a positive return. And the last thing I'll mention is just general household maintenance is a very, very good spot, arguably the best, because it's not expensive and usually you can do it yourself. You know, an example would be people walk in, they see a bunch of burnt out light bulbs, holes in walls. That's stuff that immediately makes them think your home is not cared for. So why not fix that stuff before you have people come through? As always, if you have any questions for me, reach out through our website, ottawashome.com. Also, subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can stay up to date. Okay, we'll talk to you soon.